Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Today, we're taking a closer look at Nicepage, a website builder that promises an intuitive drag-and-drop interface and a wide range of design options. Found at nicepage.com, this platform offers users the ability to create visually appealing websites without needing to delve into complex coding. Nicepage boasts a user-friendly approach, allowing both novices and experienced web designers to craft professional-looking sites. Its drag-and-drop functionality simplifies the design process, letting you easily position elements exactly where you want them. This visual approach eliminates the need for manual coding, making web design accessible to a broader audience. The platform also offers a diverse selection of pre-designed templates and blocks, providing a solid starting point for your website projects. These templates can be customized to fit your specific needs, saving you time and effort. Furthermore, Nicepage allows for fine-grained control over various design aspects, including typography, color palettes, and image placement. This level of customization ensures that your website accurately reflects your brand and message. Whether you're building a personal blog, a business portfolio, or an e-commerce store, Nicepage provides the tools and flexibility to bring your vision to life. With its responsive design features, your website will look great on any device, from desktops to mobile phones. In addition, Nicepage integrates with various popular platforms and services, further expanding its functionality. So, if you're looking for a powerful yet user-friendly website builder, be sure to check out Nicepage at nicepage.com. We'll provide a link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more web design tips and tutorials. What are your thoughts on Nicepage? Let us know in the comments section. We'd love to hear your experiences.